torment minds. In other words, oh my head. In other words, maybe kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I want, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Here at the Young One Asian Grill para po sa mga new diners natin dyan. Thank you so much for spending your dinner with us here at a Young One. We are the Listening Band. My name is Sasha together with Jay on guitars. And dahil malapit na po ang araw ng mga puso, if you have any requests, please let us know through your song choices. Para may mapapilian po kami. And of course, if you want to sing a special song to your loved ones, let us know at welcome na welcome po kayong makijam sa amin here on stage.